Hi, this is Kentucky Governor Matt Bevin. I want to speak to you about concealed carry and constitutional carry. Today, the 27th of June, is the date at which point constitutional carry becomes the law here in Kentucky. What does that mean? It means you no longer need to have a license in order to conceal carry a weapon within the Commonwealth of Kentucky. There's about a dozen states, 12, 13, 14 other states that have a similar law. You could also constitutionally conceal carry in those states, but in other states, even if they are concealed carry states, you would not be allowed to have reciprocal agreement. If you have a license in Kentucky, and that's still a possibility, you can conceal carry not only here, but you could in other states, dozens of which have reciprocity with Kentucky. The bottom line is there are rules even now to everything, but it's important to understand. From today forward in Kentucky, you do not need to get a license or pay for a license in order to conceal carry a weapon within the borders of our state. I want to make clear, however, as somebody who is a licensed concealed carry owner, somebody who owns a number of different weapons and has for years, I want to make it clear, and I think I'm preaching to the choir with most, it is important to understand what you're doing if you're going to conceal carry a weapon. You want to make sure you're trained in how to use that weapon. You want to make sure you're trained in how to shoot that weapon and how to actually carry it. The kind of things that are important. What are your legal rights? What are your responsibilities as somebody carrying a weapon in this state? So today is the day at which you no longer need a license. So if you have been a licensed concealed carry owner, you only intend to carry here in Kentucky, then you do not need to renew that license. You do not need to pay to be licensed to carry from this point forward. If you are somebody for the first time looking to carry, I would strongly advise you go through a concealed carry course, even if you're not going to then apply for a license. But if you go through the course, you might as well apply for the license, because then you'd be able to use that license in many other states that constitutional carry would not allow. Just an update for those of you who had some questions. I hope this is helpful. We are Kentucky.